Hey everyone, it's Amber, also known as Pretty Amore, on my platforms that I sell on, which include Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Depop. Today, I have a ThredUp box. Yes, I know. I haven't done one of these in a while because honestly, I don't need any inventory. Also, I just came from Goodwill, as I said that. But I got a fun box, and the fun box can be pretty hit or miss. They say that you can get like a nice little wallet from a good designer like Coach, Kate Spade, Tory Burch, etc., to like little trinkets and stuff, to like undergarments. So it can be good, it can be bad. I've received several boxes that were the fun boxes that were actually pretty good, where I've got some of those like wallets, and I got new with tag lingerie from Victoria's Secret, and they sold pretty well. This retails, I believe, for $40 plus tax and shipping, but I had some credits to use up, so I think I paid $40 and something. So yeah, let's see what's in here. You know, we got the signature tissue paper. Okay, right on top we got this really cute hat from Brixton. I don't believe I've sold this before. It's a size small, but it seems really cute. I wish I would have got it sooner for summer, but it could totally be worn in the fall. Also, if you hear my dogs whining, sorry. They really want me to stop filming a video, but this is really cute. It has like a little bow, a little bow detail there. Okay. Next up we have this, oh, see what I mean? Like, this is like really good. Well, I'm not sure how this little, it's kind of like a journal. Like, I'm literally showing myself and not showing you guys. It's like a little journal. It looks to be unused unless they tore out the pages, but I'm not seeing any evidence of that. But the brand is Portland Leather Goods. I just sold a backpack from that brand that didn't have the zipper closure, or actually it did, but it was like broke off. I sold that for $54, so something like this in even better condition. I mean, there are some like little scuffings, but Portland Leather Company is known for actually doing that on purpose. So I'm pretty sure this is pretty much almost brand new. Like, they didn't want to use this. I mean, maybe it was a free gift or something. I don't know, but this is very good. And now we turn to something like the little cheapies that they throw in here to make up the 10 pieces. I don't really like that. Yeah, all these say is UV protection, and the style number, I assume, 7564 cry / goal. I mean, yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. Oh my god, you guys, I think this is a vibe. What do you think? But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Like, these are probably worthless, honestly. So yeah, you go from Portland Leather Goods to whatever this cheap plastic is, and then you go to Body, Cotton On Body. These were like the new with tag lingerie or undergarments I was talking about. So it is new with tags. Retailed for $24.99, so you know, I'll probably get 10 to 15 maybe on that. And here, what is this? Like a, oh no, oh, these are leg warmers. Oh my god, why was I thinking this was to put on a wine bottle? I don't even drink wine, or I don't even drink, period, but I don't know why my mind went to that. But these are some cute little leg warmers. No brand. It looks like they came from Amazon, but I mean, at least they're new. Maybe I'll try to list for like, I'll probably list them for 10 and probably take 5 and up, to be honest. Because, yeah, no brand. Long fair aisle leg warmer in teal, size small. I don't really know how you measure that. Oh! Okay. So here, look at these. Here we have, it's not focusing. Hello? Oh, it focused there. We have Coach earring set. They took off the price on the back, so I'm not sure how much they retailed for, but I mean, these look brand new, like no one really used them. I mean, I'm gonna check and make sure. I mean, kind of hard to tell if like earrings were used like once, but I mean, I don't know. They're new in the box, so here they are. Let's see. Does it say what they are? Minimum 40% post-consumer recycled content. Okay. So they're just basic. Nothing really to them, just kind of cheapy. But they're cute. Okay. I have this little hand sanitizer bag. Is there hand sanitizer in here? Like, did they give me a free gift to sanitize? No. I'm not seeing a brand, but oh wait, what is this? Oh, it was made in Roanoke, Indiana. I'm from Indiana, if you guys didn't know that. But I have no idea where that is. There's a price tag on it. Oh, I see now. It's Vera Bradley, duh. I should know by this pattern, but there was like nothing else. Unless it's on the inside somewhere, I'll have to look for. And nothing on the keychain, but it's Vera Bradley. It has a $sign on here for $19. Or price tag, what am I saying? Okay, sure. We have this like stacked bracelet set right here. There we go. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. From, what did I say? Body Rhythm, New York. I mean, it's cool. I don't think it's gonna retail for much. It doesn't say anything on the back there. We have this cute backpack. It's like suede almost from CYC, and it's handmade in India. It's kind of giving like Farm Rio vibes, but I mean, it would say Farm Rio on it, right? If it was, yeah, it's definitely not. But yeah, CYC, so, oh, their website says consciousyogacollective.com. So it's 100% cotton, and it's really clean on the inside. I've never heard of this brand, but this is really cute. And, I mean, hey, if I could get this zip back up, goodness gracious. Yeah, this is what the back looks like. Very clean. Very cute, very clean. Okay, and this last piece, so this is number 10, is literally this bag of, I'm assuming a necklace? Nope. Okay. It has like, it's like layered. But I don't think it has a brand or anything, which that sucks. I am a person that cannot sell unbranded jewelry. I mean, I'll put it up there for like $5 and it gets nothing. But I mean, this is cute. If I could get it. Yeah, it's just giving, I don't know. I'm not really a jewelry person, so I can't really attest to anything. But it's cute. It's just not for me to list, you know? And it just has like a little clasp, whatever this is called. But yeah, so those are my 10 items. I'm not really mad about that. I got some pretty good items. Well, I should say, let's see, two items that I think I could probably sell this for at least 30. So there's most of it right there, and then I am assuming I can coop up $10 from the rest of it, you know. So at least I'm getting my money back, and this is kind of just informative, like, oh, what do you get from a ThredUp Fun Box, you know? And they're just kind of fun for me to see, hence the Fun Box, to just see what you get in there, you know, and sometimes you win. I saw someone get like a silk Johnny Was scarf. Pretty sure those retail over 100 and they resell pretty well. So yeah, I'll have to look into the bag and the hat. And I mean, this I don't think I can sell for more than, I don't know, probably half that price, $8. I'll probably list it for 10 and see what happens. And the same with like the Coach. I have no idea what these retail for. But I'm assuming I probably can't get more than 30 for them, even though there's 3, but there's just nothing really about them, and they don't have an original price, so I'll have to look that up. But other than that, I mean, yeah, this was a fun experience, and I will put up here or over here how much I think that my that I can sell these items for, what I am probably gonna list them at. We'll go with that, and then we'll see how much gross profit I can make. So if you like this video and want to see more unboxings or Poshmark consignment bags, thrifting, reseller content, hauls, anything like that, give me a thumbs up and a follow, and stay tuned for my journey as a reseller. Bye.